So I'm in the office right now. So I'm gonna share to you the things that I'm going to do today in my office. So today I'll be making this wooden wallet. So I'm gonna show you on the process how. So basically this is like a card wallet made of wood that I'll be making using a laser machine that we're gonna cut and engrave, make this floral pattern. I designed it myself. And then what we're gonna do is to finish the wood and then we're going to put like elastic band in the middle of it so that it'll become a finished product. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make this. Okay, so now that we got it cut using the laser machine, now what we're going to do is we're going to stain it using wood stain and finish it with some coating, and then we're gonna be done. Okay. So now the wooden wallet is almost finished and we're currently waiting for the coating to dry. So as you can see here, those are the wooden wallets, and yeah, we're still waiting for it to dry, and then I'm gonna sand them one more time, and then we're gonna put the elastic band together, and then you can see the finished result. Okay. Okay, so now we finished building the wooden wallet that I was talking about earlier, and now it already has the elastic band. I already finished the wood and using like staining and the coating for the wooden parts, and now it's ready to be used. So yeah, I'm almost done in the office today. It's currently almost 4 p.m. I'm gonna go back at around 4:30, 5 p.m. And then I still need to finish some things first here before I go back to home, like administration. I need to write down some stuff, check on some report, and then after that we're gonna go home. Okay, see you in a bit. Alright, it's about 5:30 now in the evening, and I'm done with the office today. It's been a tiring day, but not too tiring. It's been a productive day. I've done a few meetings, few discussion, this and that. I've closed the day in the office, but more importantly, I've also been able to make this pretty wooden wallet. So I hope that you enjoy the vlog so far. And then now it's time for evening exercise. I'm done with the exercise and I've already showered, so now it's time to eat dinner with me. Let's go. Alright, so I finished my dinner. I'm already full. I'm back in my bedroom, and I hope that you really enjoy the vlog today. It's my first vlog. Let me know how I'm doing, and let me know if you have any suggestion for me for future vlogs so that I can incorporate those ideas into my vlog. So the main reason why I want to start this vlog is because I want to push my creativity further than where I am right now. I want to be able to push myself and really make everything has that creative touch so that it becomes more meaningful than what it is without my creative touch. So I hope this has been useful for you, inspiring for you. Let me know if you have any suggestions, and I want to end my day right now, and I'll see you again in the next vlog. Okay, so that is all for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.